This is Talking Wikipedia. 10 is an even natural number following 9 and preceding 11 in common usage and derived terms. A collection of 10 items, most often 10 years, is called a decade. The ordinal adjective is denari. Increasing a quantity by one order of magnitude is most widely understood to mean multiplying the quantity by 10. To reduce something by 1/10 is to decimate. In ancient Rome, the killing of 1 in 10 soldiers in a cohort was the punishment for cowardice or mutiny, or 1/10 of the able-bodied men in a village as a form of retribution, thus causing the labor shortage and threat of starvation in agrarian societies. With 10 being the base of the decimal system, a scale of 1 to 10 is often used to rank things, as a smaller version of a 1 to 100 scale as is used in percentages and wine tasting. Hence, something that scores perfectly is a perfect 10. The person who is attractive and physically flawless is often said to be a 10 from the idea of ranking that person's appearance and sex appeal on a 1 to 10 scale. In science, the meaning 10 is part of the following terms: decapoda, an order of crustaceans with 10 feet decane, a hydrocarbon with 10 carbon atoms. Also, the number 10 plays a role in the following: the atomic number of neon, the number of hydrogen atoms in butane, a hydrocarbon, the number of space-time dimensions in some superstring theories. Astronomy, the new general catalog object NGC-10, a magnitude 12.5 spiral galaxy in the constellation Sculptor. The Saros number of the solar eclipse series, which began on -2467 February 28 and ended on -1169 April 18. The duration of Saros Series 10 was 1298.1 years, and it contained 73 solar eclipses. The Saros number of the lunar eclipse series, which began on -2454 June 17 and ended on -1138 August 15. The duration of Saros Series 10 was 1316.2 years, and it contained 74 lunar eclipses. Messier object M10, a magnitude 6.4 globular cluster in the constellation Ophiuchus. In technology, 10 codes are commonly used on emergency service radio systems. 10 refers to the meter band on the radio spectrum between 28 and 29.7 MHz, used by amateur radio. ASCII and Unicode code point for line feed-in media. Channel 10 is reserved for unpitched percussion instruments. In the rich text format specification, all language codes for regional variants of the Spanish language are congruent to 10 mod 256. In Mac OS X, the F10 function key tiles alt the windows of the current application and grays the windows of other applications. The IP address is in the range 10.0.0.0/8 me. This is Talking Wikipedia.